Kumusta ang sektor ng turismo dyan sa Iloilo? Kumusta yung mga arrivals? Maliban sa, pag sinabi kasi na Iloilo, syempre nandun agad pagkain yung molo o kaya yung masarap na talaba, matataba at masasarap yung mga talaba dyan at ilan pa ng mga pagkain. Ano pa yung parang pwedeng puntahan ng ating mga kabayan, yung mga historical sites dyan sa Iloilo City, Mayor Jerry?
Well, in Iloilo City, I think I am inviting everyone. We have a lot of museums here in Iloilo. Iloilo is a city of museums. Aside from the museums, and there are plenty of museums here, we have the plazas, no? Which are historical. We have the Haro Belfry, the Molo Plaza, the Molo Church, the Molo Convent, which is being restored by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. And we have the Balayan na Bato, and several others. So, marami na kayo pupuntahan dito sa Iloilo.